Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Inorganic Chemistry questions for you. Here you have Xenon Trifluoride cation. You should find hybridization and shape of it. To find the hybridization, you should know the steric number, which is H equals V plus B minus C whole divided by 2. Here V stands for valency. The xenon is inert gas, so valency is 8. The bonded atom fluorine, which is 3. So totally you have 8 plus 3 minus 1. So if you substitute in the formula, H equals 8 plus 3 minus of 1 whole divided by 2, which gives 5. The lone pair will be H minus B, which is 5 minus 3 gives 2. So H5 means sp3 dehybridization, which is trigonal bipyramidal, but you have lone pair in the system. So 5 corners, 3 corners will be occupied by fluorine, 2 corners will be occupied by lone pair, but lone pair always prefer equatorial position, so you have lone pair away from that. So the final structure will be T-shape because lone pairs are not visible when compared to atomic size. So the final shape of xenon trifluoride cation is T-shape. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.